Lesson 1. Design Environment. Congratulations on downloading and installing AutoCAD Electrical. You are now on the way to improving your productivity by 20 to 80%. Sounds incredible, but it's true. If you have not already opened a drawing, you will notice that the command line and most ribbon commands are disabled. Your first step will be to open a drawing, enabling the ribbon interfaces. Click on the Start Drawing icon in the drafting window. If prompted, select the acade.dwt file and click Open. The Home tab on the ribbon contains the standard AutoCAD commands you may already be familiar with, such as lines, text, and dimensions. Since AutoCAD Electrical is built on top of AutoCAD, anything you used to do in AutoCAD, you can do in AutoCAD Electrical. And the drawings you create using AutoCAD Electrical are 100% authentic, standard AutoCAD DWG files. Notice the additional tabs across the top of the ribbon, including Project, Schematic, Panel, Reports, and so on. As you are learning AutoCAD Electrical, you will want to avoid using standard AutoCAD tools and use the AutoCAD Electrical commands as much as possible, providing electrically intelligent tools to your design processes. We will work through some of the basic tools in the next couple of lessons. Extensive help tools are built into AutoCAD Electrical. You can hover over a command and immediately see a brief description, or hesitate for a few seconds and the help dialog box expands, showing more details and a direct link into the comprehensive online help system by clicking F1. In the help system, there are a variety of tools focused on helping you learn to use AutoCAD Electrical as quickly as possible. You can search keywords to quickly move to the desired help topics. And augmenting these quick start videos are more in-depth and detailed versions of the lessons. Links are provided to provide ideas to Autodesk for improving the software and to converse with your fellow AutoCAD Electrical users about your challenges and successes. On the left side of the screen is the AutoCAD Electrical Project Manager. This tool is used to associate the drawings in your project together, enabling AutoCAD Electrical to perform project-wide updates, cross-references, and error checking. Use the Project Manager to organize your drawings into virtual folders, preview drawings, and open drawings from your project. Click on the plus sign in front of the folders to expand them. On the Details pane, click Preview to see a preview image of the selected drawing. And to open a drawing from the Project Manager, double-click a drawing or right-click the drawing and select Open from the menu. This completes Lesson 1, Design Environment.